the AIM Solo DL. And we're going to do a comparison between two 911 turbos with X50 packages. One has race tires, the other one street tires, and one driver. Okay, so we import the two tests. And up here, there was 42 laps run on this date. The best one was in run session 5, lap 3, and that was a 1:48.718. And this was a different day, unfortunately, so it's not a completely good comparison because it was colder, rainy, very slippery. But then again, those were street tires. So on that day, 19 laps were run. The best lap happened in run session number 1, lap number 5. So I'm going to import both of those, and we're going to take a look at what's going on. So the top graph, the blue graph, is going to represent the race tires, and the silver or white graph will represent the lower one, which is now in color-coded red down here, represents the street tires. Longitudinal acceleration represents forward motion, and it is greater and more necessary than miles per hour. Lateral acceleration is the movement of the car left to right, measured in units of G's. Now, just looking at this graph, we can tell that the turbo sporting race tires had a greater acceleration to speed, much greater acceleration to speed than the street tires. Obviously, look at the difference. And here the speed to acceleration is much, much closer. So we're not getting that longitudinal acceleration using street tires. Another comparison would be to have another turbo in here with the traction control turned off, and then we can really compare notes. So that's longitudinal acceleration. Let me see if I can find the lateral acceleration. And there's the lateral for the street tires, and lateral acceleration also for the race tire turbo. This is the middle graph green and the middle graph blue here, and if we just come down, we can see there's much more lateral movement on the street tires as compared to the lateral movement of race tires or NTO1s on the 911 Turbo. Both with X50s, same driver, different days, same race course. In comparison with the GPS slope, both blue lines are representing, no, I take that back. This lighter blue line is the street tire car, and there's comparison in the slope, and there's much greater difference with the race tires. This is the layout of the track, and blue status is the car with the race tires, because that occurred in run session 5, lap number 3, and this is run session 1, lap 5 of a different day with the other car, the silver car, street tire turbo guy.